target.
Hold on, stand by.
Get a spot on these guys right here.
Slaving? And D-slave.
Yep.
Roger.
Get them on those guys.
I don't see them. Look at them again. Just
you're looking. They're on a road. They're on a road.
Make sure we can see them on. So we can okay, yeah, I got them naked eye. Let me find them.
Okay. They're splitting up now. Hey, this road that's going toward this village to the west, there are guys on that road. We don't have any ammo.
Copy.
There's at least 3.
Here, I got it.
1216.
320, 1100 meters. There's 2 guys fleeing right here.
I'm trying to get 2 A&A trucks to be with you.
Roger, well, we're on our way right now.
Roger.
Good job on the truck. I thought you were shooting at people. I didn't realize it was a truck.
There was a truck shooting like a disc at us. Block 16, repair 43. Just be advised, lead aircraft is Winchester at this time. Break. Trail aircraft still has ammunition. We're going to stay on station until he's Winchester. Then we're going to have to break for rearm, and we'll try to get right back out here.
Roger that.
Corsair 701, repair 43. Was it 4 vehicles?
Repair 43, Corsair 701. 5, I think. Transfer.
See, we got 3 and they got 1.
Be advised that our chase is going to follow them down the cab.
Right.
And yeah, I want to say,
you shot 2 at 30?
I shot 2 at 30 and 1 with the Hellfire.
And they just killed 1.
Yep, so 4. Plus.
Corsair 71, repair 43. Currently just destroyed 4 vehicles. Break. Continuing to engage. Party to set up to ambush.
1 to support you.
Off our base. Over. We'll stand by. We'll be giving you more grids and information here shortly.
Repair 43, Corsair 71, Roger. Good copy on all. And he only got to wear the cherry patch for a day.
Hey, okay, Keith, I'm out your left door. You still seeing guys on that road?
Yeah, Tally, stand by. I still got a bunch in the water, but
I may have 1 rocket left. If I see somebody, I'll roll.
1216.
I'm showing 1 TDS.
When 1-3 meets up with you guys are going to move to your 9 o'clock from the direction that your truck is facing right now.
That's what. Charlie 16, repair 43.
Go ahead.
Roger, I'm going to give you a grid to the general location of all these enemy fighters. Majority of them are KIA, break. But it's at the largest ridge line to your north. Last grid we got is 679575. Just give me a 6 digit.
Roger, I copy 679575.
Yeah, give them that cut. That's where all the motorcycles.
Just letting you guys know.
Alright, gunner target. Landing.
This one's sitting on a little hilltop.
East lane, Roger.
See it? What is that?
That is a Ranger. Going to ATV.
If you look off your nose right now, across the ridge, we got a Ranger facing this direction.
Is that a Ranger?
1613.
Spots out 150, 2600 meters.
Move the truck to the left of 15 on the hilltop.
The 150, 2600 meters, stand by.
Yeah, it looks like.
And I got another one. Got our target. I have to wait until he's. Okay, tally spot. Yeah, I got the that guy sitting in the back of it. Got our target. Dude's outside of the truck.
Landing.
Stand by.
All right, got our target. Landing. See
flashes or something. 12 o'clock off the nose. Roger. They're shooting at something.
Put me back on it. Top vehicle, tally.
Okay, guys.
We're engaging these guys.
Alright, copy. I'm slowing back a little bit. Which way you brake?
Vehicle.
Brake left.
They
have a, looks like a machine gun on the back.